looking for a lot of home appliances. I've been going to a lot of those mega stores, but I was also recently introduced to Häfele by my friend. It's considered one of the high-end brands.
This tool is very useful in terms of identifying the renovation scheme, and also it helps us to identify the valid contractor and also the interior designer via the valid resources online.
Actually, I think it was very insightful because quite a number of things that he shared was like really, giving us some kind of like insight, into how we can go about doing our house, and the free gifts were really like perks for us, and it was nice to know that we can have all these options. So it was very good. It was very good. Yes.
For me, it's storage solutions. Put on right.
Yeah. For us, for me is my wife is actually looking for a juicer extractor. So we found out that the juicer extractor is very affordable and also very useful. That's the thing that we are looking for actually.
我喜欢那个 ironing board， 可以收的，所以可以
不会占这么多位。
The space saving products like the shelves and iron boards, yeah.
The revolving shoe rack.
Yes.
Mainly those are space saving. It's good for the compact Singapore concept. So it's a lot of space saving.
Yeah. So I really like the product because it has a lot of functions and there's a lot of range, and the designs all look really nice.
因为很多 promotion 的 we cannot get outside
还有一些 product 你可以在 showroom 才看得到，rather than 你看到照片 but you don't feel it.
Yeah, definitely. I think their inventory, their stock items is it's very good, very handy.
Correct. I think it was like, if we had questions, there's always people wanting to answer for us and explaining with explanations that is like clear. So anytime I think I will be wanting to come back.